Yeah, he said there were some things that need to be fixed before they pour. Meeting with him right now, I'll let you know.
They all just venting down where it's touching the. There's no room underneath there. They gotta have space between there, and it's sitting out on the ground. It needs to be floated up.
Okay.
So it's got
We
concrete
need chairs under here.
Yeah, we need chairs under the edges. Yeah. All the way around, so it keeps it up.
And chairs under this right here too.
Yeah,
You want to put a chair? I put it there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even little blocks will hold that up.
Yeah. It's just got to be raised up. Okay, gracias.
Technically,
Then what else?
it's supposed to be 12 by 12. Those are 10 by 12. That's not even wide. That's supposed to be 12 by 12.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and they did a 10 by 12. And I was checking to see if they had any more of them that was 12 by 12, but they were not.
Okay, let me call him. Okay. What else?
None. That was it, dear. That was I'm just letting you know about that before they come.
Are you talking to your boss?
Yeah, that's my boss team.
Okay. So the beam around the exterior of the foundation is not big enough. It needs to be 12 by 12. No. They'll fix it? Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you. They're gonna fix it.
Okay.
All right, I gotta run up and go talk to my floor guy.
Just up and then we're done.
Okay, awesome. All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
Talk to you later.
All right, bye. Hey, not to know. Sorry.
What's up?
Bien.
Muy bien, okay. Only piece aquí.
I want, yeah, so everything's gonna be wood except for this. The half bath is also
That
gonna
one
this
is tile,
is
right? And then
no that's gonna be tile. This is gonna be wood.
Okay.
Everything wood. In here.
Oh no.
All wood. Oh, this is tile, yeah.
Oh, carpet right here.
No, all wood here, but tile there.
Okay, tile and tile.
And
Okay,
tile.
perfect. Okay, good. Okay, that's fine.
So I'm gonna get raw wood. So it will need to be sanded eventually, but I want to wait to sand it until everybody else gets done.
Okay.
And then do sanding and sealing at the end. Right now, I just want it installed because, for the kitchen cabinets.
Oh, okay.
We got to have the floor run under the water base.
Okay.
Which I like because it dries faster.
Yeah. Okay.
It dries faster.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'll check the measure and everything.
Yeah, take the measurements and if you can send me the price, that'd be great.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, thank you, Natanel. You're late! You're late, bro! So nice of you to make it. You're late. You're gonna be on YouTube, the next one. Yeah, arriba. They put in all the wood floors. It's unfinished red oak, so I'm gonna do kind of like a matte finish on it. We have to get the flooring in first because the cabinet guy is starting tomorrow. He needs to have the floor in before we do cabinets. Trying to get everything, all the wood floor done so that the carpenter can start tomorrow because we got to have the floor in. So over here we did tile. I love this floor. It's so pretty. Yeah, and then the floor, like you can see, is kind of like stone terracotta. It looks really cool. I love the circles and the star. It's kind of like a circle and a star design. It's really pretty. Really, really pretty. You can see we're getting ready to put the kitchen in over there. And we got to have all this flooring in. Plus, once I start the baseboards, we really got to have the flooring in. So I'm really hoping he finishes by today because tomorrow the carpenter starts, and I can't handle a delay. Let's just put it that way. No delays allowed. All right, let's go upstairs. Look at what we have here. More of that flooring and the blue and white Zalige. So pretty. Smile, you're on camera. That looks good. So then this will go above as an accent above the tile in there. It's kind of a reddish brown color, which is gonna look really good, like against, it looks really good against that. There's gonna be a band of this, like little soldiers, above the shower faucet. So like up there, above, just one band. Okay, so that is what's happening so far in here. We have one coat of primer on everything. It looks really good. Super happy with it so far. If I'm honest with you, I'm very concerned about the wood floor being done. That's sort of stressing me out. Otherwise, everything's good. Francisco, you think we'll finish this down here today?
Yeah, today.
Okay, and then we'll start on that up there?
Start tomorrow.
Okay, how long do you think that'll take? Like 2 days?
Yeah, maybe today.
Okay. All right, awesome. Thank you. Standing back and like, oh, look what I did.
Oh, look at the wall over there. It's like angled like this.
Oh.
I put it straight there, but I maybe put in the. I make a mark. Maybe I put in the wrong mark.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why you see when you see it look like.
Oh,
like this.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're a perfectionist.
That's good.
No, but you want it perfect, right?
I don't want it perfect. I want it the right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I got it moved.
Okay. Well, this looks so good. Does this take a long time?
Yeah, like maybe 3 hours.
Wow. Well, it's what it is. I like it. It turned out really, really good.
Yeah, maybe this one it's hard, and the next one is easy.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah.
Easy. Yeah, for you, of course.
Yeah.
This has to be done. Like this. I mean, we at least have to have the bottom floor done by tomorrow. And it is 3:45. Okay, try not to panic. I don't think that guy likes me very much. I don't think he likes me very much. Here we are, recording from the shower. Tall guy's got jokes. Okay, so this right here, obviously this would be called the threshold. So instead of doing tile on top, we're gonna have the marble that I've chosen. We're gonna put the marble on top here. These are Zalige tiles, so you can see, especially like in the white, you can see the variation in the colors. Some look more brown, some look more white. I love this tile so much. And then the tile on the floor is a matte penny tile. I love how it looks. It looks so good. And some might say, like, why did you go with blue and white with this like terracotta red? Trust me, the tones, they all work beautifully together and it looks so good. If this were like a bright red, it would look terrible. But that's very, very toned down. So it's kind of, and it's the same thing with this. If this were a bright blue, it would not work. But the white is not even bright. Like the white itself is even kind of like muddled, right? So this is a beautiful combination and I'm super happy with it. And I wanted to do, so, whoop, don't fall on me. I wanted to do a, let's see here, let's bring you down just a little bit. Okay. This is such a weird angle. Let's do a wide angle lens so we can see in the house. I would have loved to do a Zalige tile like this in the primary bathroom, but it's a more expensive tile. And ideally, honestly, like this tile, this is an expensive tile. This is not a cheap tile. This on the floor, let's see if you can get one where you can see the floor too. This was not a cheap tile. This was not a cheap tile, right? It's a small space, which that is a saving grace to this. But I knew that because when you walk in, this is wide open. So when you walk into this bathroom, you see this big wide open space. When you have a certain budget, you have a certain amount that you can spend. I knew that I wanted to put my budget toward this tile on this shower rather than putting it into the primary. You might say, like, why would you do that? I still am using pretty tile in the primary. The reason why is because in the primary, the shower, there's a wall here and there's only an opening about yay big, right? So you don't get that big, like, wide open view when you walk into the room. It didn't make sense because on the back of it, you're not gonna see it, and kind of around the back, you're not gonna see it. Not until you're in there, right? So I would rather put the money for the tile into the here, because when you walk in, it's gonna be this, you know, it's just wide open. So I just felt like bang for the buck, made more sense to put the more expensive tile in the secondary bedroom. And still feel like that was the right choice. How's it coming? These tiles are easy to work with, right?
Yeah.
Because they're all the same. It looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you'll put the accent tile above that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow, 2 lines now. Just put this one for 2 lines.
Okay. Okay, so 2 more and then that one. Okay.
Or that one.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good.
Deme una de la roja, piñata.
There you go.
Like 2 or that one?
Yeah. That's perfect.
2 more lines.
2 more and then that one. That's
Okay.
perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, no, thank you. I appreciate you guys. It looks really good, Francisco. Thank you. You working here tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, mañana. Trabajando aquí, por favor.
Maybe. I gotta go to first time in the morning with Jerry.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
but maybe coming like lunch, maybe like 10 o'clock.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. All right, sounds good.
Yeah.
Tell Jerry I said thank you.
Okay.
Yourself now, right? Nobody's working here now?
Not good, but it's okay.
Oh, okay. I wanted to kind of see it. I was thinking like 48 inches.
The one comes down and this one.
Yeah.
Maybe we start out taller, like here, so that taller. I don't
The
know.
wainscot is just gonna be after that wall, or are you gonna?
I think I started here, right? Was that what we talked about? Was starting here and then going up and around that? Is 48 like a normal height?
Typical 36. Wainscot. I mean,
Yeah, I definitely wanted it taller than that. Yeah. I'm gonna go upstairs real quick. So 48 appears about like right here, right? Okay. Yeah, I mean, I like that height.
That we gotta match the points where they cross here, like here.
Oh.
And then wherever point
And then
that
it
is, yeah.
slopes down. Okay.
Then we can't do 48 because then one of them goes up.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So we have to figure out where this comes up a little bit.
Yeah.
And then angles down. Okay.
So basically, the other one kind of starts there.
Yeah. Also, I'm going to take stair railings that came from Omar. I'm going to take all this out of my car and leave them here so that I know you won't use all of them, but that way you can figure out which ones you want to use.
Which is the point where it's gonna cross.
Sorry. Oh, okay. Okay. And then it'll start angling down. Okay. Yeah. And then this is going to continue around here, right? Was the idea? Okay. Perfect. Okay. Thank you. I just wanted to see it in person before I made a decision.
Yeah, because it's kind of hard.
Yeah, it's hard to visualize it until I come and look at it, but I think that's great. Is there anything that you need from me that I need to get for you guys, or?
I think we're okay right now.
Okay. Hi. Which grout did you use in there?
What?
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be white. This is white, right? Yeah, Moonbeam was for here. Yeah, this was for in here. That other one was supposed to be... Okay, this is a floor.
Okay.
But there should have been a grout, like, I think it was wicker. Yeah.
The bench, what are we doing? Cubbies or? The only straight antique, because you told me now that.
Oh. Okay.
Because I think the space was too.
Yeah, that's fine. We'll just do that then. That's fine. Cubbies is fine.
Cubbies?
Yeah.
Just open?
Okay. Yeah, I think that'll be good.
This is the 18 inches.
And that's standard height?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the plug, it might be.
Yeah, because you're gonna have the thickness. So if it were a little taller than that, is it just awkward if we were to go up to like 20 inches? Or would that be just too?
I think it's too tall, not too much. Chair height, most of the time we do the benches chair height, otherwise. But, I mean, really it's up to you.
Well, I'm just thinking like a time factor on getting the electricians out to drop it down. So maybe if we could go like just high enough to where it's not like just enough to clear it.
Okay. Yeah.
Because I mean, we're gonna have a cubby. So probably we'll do 3 cubbies, right? Like 1, 2, 3. So we can just make it so that that's inside one of the cubbies. But yeah, I would just make it, I know it's not ideal, but I would say just make it just high enough to clear that. So then that way we don't have to have the electricians come out and move it, because I don't want to slow anything down.
I'm gonna try to see if you want. I'm gonna try to see if I can bring it down just a little tiny bit, so we don't go too much height.
Okay, sure. Okay. Yes, this was okay. So this is a floor, and then this was supposed to be for in here.
Here?
Yeah, the wicker.
Yeah, from there, like, why everything? The two shower.
Okay. Okay. Let me call Teo.
Okay.
Hey, did you tell Isaac's guys that both showers were to be the Moonbeam?
No, I don't. I told them that they were supposed to match the whatever you told me. I told them as far as like matching the wall. I didn't. I specifically told you, like you said, that they're supposed to match as far as the floor.
Well, no, yeah, but let's see here.
You're talking about the grout?
The grout, yeah.
Yeah, the grout.
Because I told you. Hold on.
Oh shit.
Okay, let's see here. Moonbeam is for the blue and white, and then whatever color is left is for the primary. Nutmeg grout is for the bathroom floor for the little house and back. So
The one you were bringing was for the floors.
yeah, and we had nutmeg up here, or not nutmeg, wicker up here, which was supposed to go in that shower.
Yeah, and then one of them was nutmeg was the one for the back house.
Yes.
Yes, that's how I told them because they said they had that one separated for the back house, and then I said,
But only Moonbeam was supposed to be for the blue and white bathroom, correct?
correct.
And so Sandstorm Todo Pisos. This one is all for all of them. For there, for that bathroom, and for the laundry.
Okay.
Is this Sandstorm.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, probably I'll leave it. I just want to kind of think about it before I make a firm decision.
okay, well let me know or you can just let him know.
Okay, thank you, Teo. All right, bye. But let me think about it. Don't worry about it right now. We'll just get the other one.
Sorry.
I can't wait to see the arches.
I haven't done. I'm gonna work on them tomorrow.
Yeah, no, that's okay. No, I know you have your method. Okay, awesome. All right, thank you. Well, we have grout problems. There was a miscommunication and the wrong grout was used, so I have to make a decision whether or not I want them to scrape out all the grout that they put in and put in new grout, or just go with it. It doesn't look terrible. It's just not what I initially envisioned. So, I don't know. On the one hand, I had a vision, and there was a reason why I had that vision. But then on the other hand, is it worth having them take the time to scrape out all of the grout that they already put in and put in new grout? I can't even imagine the amount of time that would take. I don't know. This is why I should have been on a job site yesterday. Oh well. It's done is done. Okay, that really sucks. Like, really sucks. I mean, I could be as much at fault at this as anyone, right? There's the tile guys, and then there's Teo, who I use to translate between myself and the tile guys, and I was very confused because the grout color that I wanted to use in there was upstairs in that room. And the only one that we told them, like, I don't know. I do run into this a lot where contractors will make decisions based on what they think I want. They'll just kind of do it instead of stopping to think, maybe I should double check on this. But, you know, again, I'm not fully blaming them. I mean, I should have been here yesterday, so I don't know. I have to decide whether or not this is something that is worth scraping the grout out and putting in the grout that I want. There's a reason. I mean, the grout color makes a massive difference, and I just didn't want everything white. I wanted it in the blue and white bathroom, but not, I don't know, I gotta think about it. I gotta kind of imagine and see if this can still work with my design plan. Because it might be one of those things where nobody would even notice, right? Like, if I just left it as it is, nobody would even know. But I would know. I would know that it wasn't the way I wanted it, so. All right, I'm gonna go get a haircut now and then come back and check on things again. But I'll just kind of ponder this and think about it a little bit longer. Well done. Haircut. Desperately needed. Now maybe I don't have to wear my hat all the time. All right, back to the job site.